Alright guys, what's up? Tyler here. It's so good to have all of you here on this quick YouTube day. I just went over to my fridge here. I'm digging through the top looking for something, and I came across a boatload of these. Shoot. They're like packets of like Szechuan, like all kinds of sauces. What's the weirdest thing that you've ever had in your fridge that you totally forgot about? Let me know in the comment section below. I secretly just wanted to make a video. Not a good one, but hey, it's cringe. Jeez. Peace!